The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse 2, presented by Priyadarshini, School Assistant English, at PHS Girl Shankarpalli. In the previous session, we completed how was the trip of Town Mouse to the countryside. Let us see. A few days later, the Country Mouse wrote to his cousin, the Town Mouse. Here is the letter. Mousehole, Mouse Country, 22nd March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make you sure you are right. With love, your cousin, Country Mouse. 2. Town Mouse, Kitchen Cupboard, Mouse Town. Here, the Town Mouse received this letter and read it. Since he was in hurry, he sent a telegram to the Country Mouse. Here is his telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, Town Mouse. A few days later, the Country Mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the Country Mouse. That is the traffic, the Town Mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars, and aeroplanes. But the Country Mouse did not like it at all. All this noise has made my head ache, he said. Could I have some water to drink? Why only water? Said the Town Mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Just some water, answered the Country Mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the Town Mouse proudly. You can eat as much as you like. Sure enough, the house of the Town Mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolates, and a huge piece of lovely cheese. Eat, cousin, eat, said the Town Mouse. But just then there was a sound like a thunder, and the Town Mouse shouted, Run, cousin, run, run! The Town Mouse pushed the Country Mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The Country Mouse felt his heart beating very fast. But what is it? He asked. Shh, whispered the Town Mouse. Wait. When everything was silent again, the Town Mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. But they were not safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. The Country Mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. So the next day, the Country Mouse went back to his house in the country, and the Town Mouse stayed on in his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, They did not visit each other again. Students, with this we completed our A reading, that is the town mouse and the country mouse. Here you can see the glossary. This glossary is helpful to you to understand the A reading perfectly. Country. Country means here village or an area outside towns or cities with fields and farms. Affectionately. Here, affectionately is a verb that means lovingly or showing caring feelings and love. Third one, pack. Here, pack is verb to put clothes, etc. into a bag in the preparation for a trip away from home. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable is an adjective. Here, uncomfortable means unpleasant. Grumble. Grumble is a verb to complain about something in a bad-tempered way. Chug. This is also verb. Chug means to move making the sound of an engine. Dreadful. Dreadful here adjective. Dreadful means very bad, unpleasant. Students, based on our A reading, the town mouse and the country mouse, here are some comprehensive questions. Please go through them and write your own answers. Students, we completed comprehensive questions regarding our first lesson, A reading, the town mouse and the country mouse. Here are some multiple choice questions in the second bit, and in the third bit you can see true or false. Please go through them and learn.